This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, October 16th. Stock index futures putting in a very good performance today. Looks like much of the strength linked to better than expected earnings reports, especially in the banking sector. Also, we did have most economic reports coming in stronger than expected. Also, we are seeing a lot of articles, a lot of analysts becoming rather negative in the last week or so. I'm not seeing any of that. All of my indications, work that I've done suggests that higher prices still are likely for stock index futures, and I firmly believe that the interest rate futures market still will remain somewhat supportive, even though the Fed is likely to hike interest rates later this year and next year. Higher interest rates in this time period still will not be at a high enough level, according to my work, that would be at a point that would tip over this bull market in stock index futures. So nothing has changed in my long-term view. Stock index futures long-term still appear to be headed higher. Moving over to the currency markets, the dollar index now falling to near a 3-week low. Even though we did have mostly better than expected economic reports today, seeing the euro currency a little bit better, even though the economic expectations index came in a bit on the weak side in the eurozone. Also, the pound firmer with employment numbers coming in stronger than anticipated. Interest rate markets seeing a little pressure at the long end, with the reports that we had today being a bit bearish. Longer term, I still feel that even though the Fed is likely to be a little less hawkish and a little less aggressive next year in their rate hike cycle, the trend is still higher for interest rates, lower for the credit futures markets. So continue to trade the bond market from the short side. I think this is a trend that will probably last all this year and well into next year. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.